Imagine editing photos without using any complicated software. No buttons, no tools, just typing what you want. That's exactly what this AI tool from Google can do. It's called Nano Banana and it can create and edit images in seconds. In this video, I'll show you how it works and what you can actually do with it. And before we begin, tell me in the comments which AI image tool have you used before. So first, what exactly is Nano Banana? Nano Banana is an AI image generation and editing tool inside the Gemini app. You can use it on your phone or computer within Gemini. Instead of using complicated software, you just type what you want, like you're talking to a friend. For example, change the background to a sunny beach or change my shirt color to blue. And the AI will do it for you in seconds. Now before we start using it, there is one very important thing you need to understand. The more details you give, the better results you get. Let me show you with a quick example. If you type a simple prompt like a dog in a park, you'll get a basic result. But if you add more details like a realistic golden retriever dog wearing black sunglasses, riding a skateboard in a green park during sunset, cinematic lighting, high detail, now the result will look much better. So always remember this, more details means better output. Now let's see some real use cases of Nano Banana. Use case number 1. Generate images from text. Let's start with something simple. Type a simple prompt like this. A modern workspace setup with a laptop, coffee mug, warm lighting, clean desk, aesthetic minimal style, high detail, realistic look. And in just a few seconds, it creates a full image. Rate this image from 1 to 10 in the comments, and if you know a better tool to create images like this, let me know below. Use case number 2. Create YouTube thumbnails. Now let's try something practical. You can type something like this. Create a YouTube thumbnail image for a video about slow Wi-Fi. Bold text, Wi-Fi slow, fix it now. Bright colors, frustrated person holding phone, router icon, high contrast, eye-catching design. And it will generate a thumbnail style image. Use case number 3. Edit any photo with text. Now this is where it gets really powerful. Upload any image, then type something like this. Change the background to a tropical beach with blue water, clear sky, soft sunlight, realistic lighting matching the subject, and it edits the image instantly. Would you use this instead of editing apps? Let me know in the comments. Use case number 4. Make small changes easily. Let's say you want to make a small change. You can type something like this. Change the sunglasses color to bright red, keep everything else the same, maintain lighting and shadows, and it updates only that part. Use case number 5. Replace objects. You can also replace objects. For example, replace the coffee cup with a modern laptop. Keep the same position, angle and lighting, realistic look, and it adjusts the image naturally. Use case number 6. Change style. You can also change the style. For example, convert this image into anime style, vibrant colors, sharp outlines, detailed shading, and the output looks really fine. Use case number 7. Product and social media images. You can even create product images. For example, a clean product photo of white sneakers on a minimal background, soft lighting, shadows, high resolution commercial style. Perfect for social media ads or thumbnails. The output is awesome. You don't need to set up and do the product shoot. The best part is you don't need any editing skills. You don't need expensive software. You just need an idea, and Nano Banana turns your idea into an image. So now tell me, what would you create first using Nano Banana? Comment your idea below. I really want to read them. And if you want more powerful AI tools like this, comment AI so I can make the next video. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.